Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option of Logic Admin that restricts saving a sale voucher if the amount received from the customer is left blank during cash billing. To enable this option, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the POS Options 1 section, enable the checkbox labeled Entry of Amount Received from Customer should be mandatory for cash billing. Once enabled, save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Now, let's test how the feature works. Open the sale voucher window and initiate a new transaction. While saving the voucher, the software will display an error message indicating that the amount paid cannot be left blank. To proceed, enter the amount in the Cash Amount Received field and then save the voucher. After entering the amount, the software will allow the voucher to be saved successfully.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.